This is the solution to question number 6 on the Linear Relations EQAO Practice Questions Grade 9 Applied. And in question 6, it says a catering company charges a fixed fee of $100 plus $12 per guest. Which of the following equations relates the total cost C to the number of guests G at an event? So this is really the let statement right here, identifies that C in the equation represents cost, the total cost, and G represents the number of guests at the catering company's function. So when it says $12 per guest, that's the cost per guest, or the rate, or the variable cost. The fixed fee of $100, that's the fixed amount. So the $12 is what you would multiply by the number of guests and then add to that 100. So for example, the cost for 5 people, we will go 12 times 5 because there are 5 people and each person costs 12, and then we add 100 to that. 12 times 5 is 60, plus the 100 would give you a cost of $160. So for 5 people, it costs $160. For example, if you had 14 people, the 14 would be multiplied by the 12 because it's $12 for each of those 14 people. That's multiplication. When instead of going 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 14 times, that's really 12 times 14. So 12 times 14 is 168, plus the 100 is 268. So notice that it's the 12 is being multiplied by the number of guests, which we're calling G here, and adding 100. So that's what C is here. The cost is 12 times the number of guests plus 100. So that would be the correct equation.